Morning, y'all. I'm the Canton Junkie. You're going to spend the morning with me, and we're going to start by going to get some coffee at the Pony Expresso. So let's go. Yep, you'll spend the morning with me. We'll get ready and then we will drive on down to the main grounds, go in the west gate today. We'll pick up our scooter reservation. I'll scoot through all sorts of the areas of the grounds and then we'll make our way to the Arbors. I'm going to check out first the Tipsy gardener. She's in Arbor 3. I saw something on her Instagram page I just really want to check out first because I think they're going to sell instantly and I got to get one first. It's these like really tall cacti. I'm so excited. So come on, let's go. We're going to start with getting some coffee. So staying here on the mountain, there's lots of little B&Bs. They are owned by a couple different people and you can do the reservations on Airbnb. Now normally you cannot bring your vehicle up here because it's not allowed during the main hours of First Monday trade days because they want to make sure there's room for pedestrians, people on scooters, people with wagons, people with dogs. And the roads up here are really small and also incredibly bumpy if you haven't noticed. So that's why I'm going so slow because there's one road in, one road out. So the town of Canton, Texas, it's a cute little Texas town. It's not very big, but it's so easy to access everything. So I'm just heading, I don't know, maybe a mile from the mountain over to the downtown. And downtown they have a cute little coffee shop called the Pony Expresso. Yes, it's Expresso because of the Pony Express. So they have a drive-thru and a cute little walk-in order station. And also outside, like obviously it's dark and cold this morning, but normally in this lovely Texas weather, you could sit outside on their patio and they have all sorts of little seating areas and tables where you could gather or just read a book or just enjoy the afternoon. It's so great. Last month when we were here, that's what we did when the main grounds closed. We came over to Pony Expresso, just got a little something and just hung out on their patio and just enjoyed the weather until the sunset. And just like that, we're in the downtown. There's lots of cute little shops, a couple places to eat, a really cool bookstore. If you're a bookworm, you have got to check out the Wicked Read. So cool. A couple little cafes, clothing stores. I think the Canton downtown is so cute and they have done so much to make sure it's active and vibrant and I just love it. And behind me you're going to see the little courthouse. Canton is the county seat of its county. Alright, so here's the Pony Expresso. We're pulling up, so we're going to be driving by, and right here, can you see it? Right there is their exterior door to go in and order. It doesn't look like you're supposed to go in, but that's the door if you want to walk in and order. And they have a little drive up. Oh, I'm the only car, yes. I was afraid. Since it's already 6:30, I thought there might be a really big line. Oh, I'm so excited. Don't forget your punch card. They put this little chocolate covered coffee bean on your cup too. It's so cute. Alright, so we're gonna head back up to the mountain and I'm gotta get ready because I can't go to First Monday looking like this, you know what I'm saying? Yum, 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 yum. And just like that, we're back at the mountain. I'm gonna head back up to my room. I've gotten my makeup, my hair done, gotten dressed. I got a lot of layers on. It's really cold this morning. So let's head down to the main grounds and pick up our scooter. made it over to the Tipsy Gardener. I've picked out what I'm gonna get. I would love to get everything, so I'm gonna get one of these air plants. I get like one every time. And then I have fallen in love with this cactus. Getting that guy, because I think he'll fit in my car, because otherwise I'm out of luck. And then let's go this way. Here, I'll face you forward. think I'll get this guy here too, because we had a freeze a couple weeks ago and I accidentally left mine outside and he croaked. So I'm gonna get this guy as well. Look, he's got new leaves. I love this booth.